So as you can see, my rim is actually shaking. It's because there's a major bend in my rim, and there are few smaller bend as well. And actually, I don't know how, but two spokes with nip are missing. Basically, nip उखड़ गया है मेरे rim से. So there was no way that I could fix this. So I have to order a new rim for my Xpulse 200 Full. And in this video, we will be seeing the unboxing of the same. And this is the box. So this is the box that I have received from Raj Auto Parts, and this is the rear rim, 18-inch rim of my Xpulse bike. So let's open this. So opening the box is a tedious work since like they have perfectly packed the box, and this box is actually shipped from Kerala. So this box not only contains the rim, but it also contains the spokes and nip kit. Basically, it comes as a set, and you have to purchase the rim as a different thing, and you have to purchase spokes separately. So as you can see, this is the rim, and this is the packet of spokes. And basically, if you see, this is how the spoke looks, and the spoke for rear tire and the spoke for the front tire is actually of different size, since both the rims are also of different sizes. The front rim comes of like 21 inches, and the rear rim is of 18 inches. So there are 36 spokes, and there are 37 holes in the rim, and one hole is for the wall and all other for the spokes. And in the hub, 18 spokes will be attached to each side of this hub. And if you want to order something, some parts like this, you can basically visit the Instagram pages of like this. I have ordered this from Raj Auto Parts. You can find them on Instagram, and there are several other pages like this. So this is how the rim looks with spokes and nips as well, and they have given us 4 extra nips. अब ये nips मैंने क्यों मंगाए? Because after like Mumbai Delhi ride, I actually noticed that मेरे मतलब यहाँ से जो like this is the point where basically we put the nip. ये निप ही यहाँ से निकल के बाहर निकला था, एंड टू स्पोक्स आर मिसिंग आउट फ्रॉम द व्हील. एंड द हब इज़ फाइन, हब हैज़ नो इश्यूज. बट द जो यहाँ पे ये होल है, ये जो होल है निप के लिए, ये होल एक्चुअली बेसिकली उसका बड़ा हो गया था. सो what jugaad I did was I actually applied some M seal over those two holes, जिससे बेसिकली अंदर का जो रबर है, अंदर की जो वॉल है वो ना दिखे. एंड इनिया मतलब कुछ भी ऐसे अंदर कोई पिन भी मारेगा तो भी वो ट्यूब फट सकता था, ऐसी सिचुएशन थी. सो आई नीडेड टू पैक इट, but I knew that that's not gonna help me for long. So I ordered this nips as well as the rim, and this is looking awesome. And these are some 4 extra spokes. I would prefer if they would have given me nips as well, extra nips as well. इनिशियली आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि हाँ चलो टायर बेंड है तो टायर रिप्लेस कर लेंगे, बट अगर ये होल ही बड़ा हुआ है तो वहाँ पे निप आप कैसे डालोगे? I have attached the Instagram pages in the description, and in the next video, we will be seeing how to install the REM. We'll be approaching a local mechanic to attach the same, since this cannot be done by us in our garage. So, thank you so much for watching.